सत श्री अकाल स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अज असी एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटैग्रेशन के 4 मार्क्स वाले क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करांगे जो कि एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू नाल काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। सो वीडियो नू लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय द एलिप्स x स्क्वायर बाय 16 प्लस y स्क्वायर बाय 9 इज इक्वल टू 1। सोल्यूशन है, द इक्वेशन ऑफ द एलिप्स इज, इक्वेशन ऑफ एलिप्स सर्कल पैराबोला एंड हाइपरबोला तुसी ऑलरेडी +1 क्लास विच पढ़ चुके हो। सो इस इक्वेशन की डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लवांगे। एक्स स्क्वेयर डिवाइडेड बाय 16 नूं लिख सकते हैं 4 स्क्वेयर, वाई स्क्वेयर बाय 3 स्क्वेयर, दैट इज़ जो मेजर एक्सिस है उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 दैट इज़ 8। सो ये सारी वैल्यू 8 है अते इन्नी वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी 4। सिमिलरली ओ बी इज इक्वल टू 3। हुण असी इस इक्वेशन तो y की वैल्यू फाइंड करांगे। सो स्टैप बाय स्टैप देखते हैं। वाई स्क्वेयर बाय 9 इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर बाय 16, दैन वाई स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 9 बाय 16, 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर। पहला असी इसका एलसीएम ले लवांगे। 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर दैट इज 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर एंड 1 बाय 16, देन A9 इधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा 9 बाय 16, 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर। देन नेक्स्ट स्टेप विच y इज इक्वल टू इज द अंडर रूट हो जाएगा, देन 9 द अंडर रूट 3 एंड 16 द अंडर रूट 4, अंडर रूट ऑफ 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर। देन रिक्वायर्ड एरिया, रिक्वायर्ड एरिया कितना आ जाएगा 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एरिया ऑफ AOB। टोटल एलिप्स का एरिया फाइंड करने लिए इसनों 4 नाल मल्टीप्लाई करांगे क्योंकि इसके 4 पार्ट्स हैं, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ। सो टोटल एरिया आ जाएगा 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय एरिया ऑफ AOB। सो 4 0 to 4। एक्स दी लिमिट्स देखांगे 0 ओरिजिन ते इसकी वैल्यू एक्स ही होएगी 0 एंड ए पॉइंट ते 4। सो इस दी लिमिट्स बन जाएगियां 0 to 4 एंड जो असी y की वैल्यू फाइंड की है वो फिल करांगे 3/4 अंडर रूट ऑफ 16 माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर dx। नाउ बाय यूजिंग इंटेग्रेशन सॉल्व दिस एंड फिल लिमिट्स टू गेट required result। ये 4 कैंसल हो जाएंगे। 3 इंटैग्रेशन ऑफ 0 to 4 16 नू लिख लांगे 4 स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर dx इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड इस द फॉर्मूला अप्लाई हो जाएगा इंटैग्रेशन ऑफ ए स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर। ये तुसी ऑलरेडी इंटैग्रेशन चैप्टर में कर चुके हो। तो फॉर्मूला है x बाय 2 अंडर रूट ए स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर बाय 2 साइन इनवर्स x बाय a and limits 0 to 4। then applying limits, firstly higher limit then minus lower limit। x की जगह ते असी वैल्यूज फिल कर देवांगे। फर्स्टली 4 फिल करांगे 4, 16 माइनस 4 स्क्वेयर दैट इज 16, ये सारी वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी एंड प्लस 4 स्केयर बाय 2 दैट इज 16 बाय 2, सो 8 हो जाएगा। साइन इनवर्स एक्स की जगह पर जो 4 फिल करांगे 4 बाय 4 दैट इज साइन इनवर्स 1। सिमिलरली फिल 0, now this term is 0 plus 8 sin inverse 1 दी वैल्यू आ जाएगी पाई बाय 2, क्योंकि जो साइन है वो पाई बाय 2 ते 1 होंदा है, इसलिए इसका आंसर आ जाएगा पाई बाय 2 माइनस 0 दैन साइन इनवर्स 0, साइन इनवर्स 0 आ जाएगा 0 के इक्वल। सो इसमें सॉल्व कर लवांगे 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाय पाई बाय 2, 12 पाई स्केयर यूनिट्स इज आंसर। नेक्स्ट बी पार्ट, द इक्वेशन ऑफ द एलिप्स इज, नाउ इक्वेशन ऑफ द एलिप्स चेंज्ड, एक्स स्केयर बाय 25 प्लस वाई स्केयर बाय 16 इज इक्वल टू 1। अगेन वाई की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लवांगे as done in first part, y is equal to 4 by 5 under root 25 by minus x square. Now again required area is 4 multiplied by area of AOB, which is equal to 4 0 to लिमिट्स आ जाएंगियां 0 to 5 एंड y की वैल्यू फिल कर लवांगे 4 बाय 5 अंडर रूट 25 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। नाउ सिंप्लीफाई 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 16 बाय 5 अंडर रूट 25 इज रिटन एज 5 स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर dx। नाउ बाय अप्लाइंग फॉर्मूला एंड बाय सॉल्विंग we will get decide answer. Next question, again same, the equation of the ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 25 is equal to 1. Find out value of y, 5 by 4 under root 16 minus x square. Required area is equal to 4 multiplied by area of AOB. Now fill value of y here and applying formula of integration of under root a square minus x square, which is equal to x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, and limits fill कर लवांगे 0 to 4। Next example, using definite integrals find the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The ellipse is symmetrical about the axis. Now required area is 4 multiplied by area of OAB, same as in example number first, that is 4 0 to a, लिमिट्स आ जाएंगियां 0 to a y dx। इस इक्वेशन विचों असी y की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लवांगे जो कि इज इक्वल आ जाएगी b by a अंडर रूट a स्केयर माइनस एक्स स्केयर dx। देन बाय अप्लाइंग फॉर्मूला ऑफ a स्केयर इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ a स्केयर माइनस एक्स स्केयर एंड बाय फिलिंग लिमिट्स we will get the desired answer, which is equal to pi a b square units. Next example, find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to x. Now we have two equations, one is curve and one is line. Consider the equations. First equation is y is equal to x square and equation of line is y is equal to x. Now by using these two equations, find out point of intersection. Now y is equal to x, put y is equal to x in first equation, x is equal to x square. Now x square minus x is equal to 0. Now take x common, x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x equal to 0 and 1. Now from 2, if x is 0 and 1, then y is also equal to x. So x is 0, 1 and y is also 0 and 1. Now curves 1 and 2 intersect in the points. If x is 0, then y is 0. So first point of intersection is 0, 0. And second point of intersection is, if x is 1, then y is also 1. So second point is 1, 1. These are points of intersection 0, 0 and 1, 1. Y is equal to x square is parabola. So its curve is like this, and y is equal to x is line. Now point of intersection is 0, 0 and 1, 1. Now area of the shaded region is equal to 0 to 1 x dx minus 0 to 1 x square dx. Now integrate this. Integration of x is x square by 2, 0 to 1 minus integration of x square is x cube by 3, 0 to 1. Now by filling limits, first of all upper limit minus lower limit, 1 square, that is 1 by 2 minus 0 and minus 1 by 3 minus 0, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now by taking LCM, 6, 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 6 square units. Next example, find the area of the region enclosed by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to 2x. Now first is parabola and second is line. Now we have to find out area of the region enclosed by this parabola and line. First of all, draw diagram. Y square is equal to 4x is right-handed parabola, so its direction is in right direction, and equation of line is y is equal to 2x. First of all, we have to find out point of intersection of parabola and line. So equation of parabola is y square is 4x and equation of line is y is equal to 2x. Now from 1 and 2 we get, put value of y in this, that is 2x whole square is equal to 4x, that is 4x square is equal to 4x, 4 cancelled, x square minus x is equal to 0. Now take x common, x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x takes two values, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. also y is equal to 2x. When x is 0, y is also 0, and when x is 1, then y is 2. So values of y is 0 and 2. So points are, when x is 0, y is 0, so first point is 0 0, and second point, when x is 1, y is 2, so second point is 1 2. These 2 points are points of intersection. Now area bounded by the curve at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So limits of x is 0 to 1 and value of y because y square is equal to 4x, that is y is equal to 2 under root x. And under root of x integration, that is x raised to the power 1 by 2. So integration of x raised to the power 1 by 2 is x raised to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and limits are 0 to 1. Now by putting limits and by solving this, 2 multiply by 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3, and by putting upper limit 1 raised to the power 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to the power 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. 4 by 3, 1 raised to the power 3 by 2, 1 raised to the power anything is equal to 1. So by multiplying this is equal to 4 by 3. Now area bounded by the line, this is area bounded by parabola, and this is area bounded by line y is equal to 2x. Again limits x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Now in this case, put y is equal to 2x integration 0 to 1 dx. Now by simply integrating, integration of x is x square by 2, 0 to 1, x square 0 to 1, 2 cancelled. By applying limits, 1 square that is 1 minus 0 square that is 0, 1 minus 0 is 0. Now required area of parabola minus area of line, area bounded by this line is equal to 1, that is 4 by 3 minus 1, which is further equal to 1 by 3 square units. Next question, important and similar as previous example. Find the area of the region. जो ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ये प्रीवियस ईयर्स ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं. Find the area of the region enclosed by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to 4x. Now equation of parabola, again this is right-handed parabola, and equation of line is y is equal to 4x. Now from 1 and 2, again find point of intersection by using y is equal to 4x, y square is equal to 16x. Put value of y here, 4x square is equal to 16x, which is equal to 16x square is equal to 16x, 16 cancelled, x square minus x is equal to 0, take x common, x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0 and 1. Now when x is 0, then y is also 0, and when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. So points are 0 0 and 1 4. Now area bounded by the curve 1, that is area bounded by the parabola, and limits of x is 0 to 1, because 0 to 1, 0 to 1 y dx, पैराबोला वाली इक्वेशन विचों y की वैल्यू फाइंड करांगे। y इज इक्वल टू √16x, दैट इज 4√x, दैन इसनूं इंटीग्रेट करांगे x रेज़ टू दी पावर √x इज इक्वल टू x रेज़ टू दी पावर 1/2, एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x रेज़ टू दी पावर 1/2 इज x रेज़ टू दी पावर 3/2 डिवाइडेड बाय 3/2। Now by applying limits we will get the answer 8/3. Then area bounded by the line y is equal to 4x. Now put y is equal to 4x and integrate 4x square divided by 2, 0 to 1. Then first of all apply upper limit, that is 1 square divided by 2 minus 0, that is equal to 2. Now required area is equal to 8/3 minus 2, and by taking LCM 2 minus 6, 8 minus 6, which is further equal to 2/3 square units. Next, using integration, find the area of the triangular region whose sides have the equations y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 3x plus 1, and equation of third side is x is equal to 4. Now solution. The equations of the sides are, write down given equations as it. Then subtracting to find out point of intersection of first and second. By using these two equations, find out value of x and y. First of all, put x is equal to 0 in first equation. We will get y is equal to 1. So point of intersection is x is 0 and y is 1. So point of intersection of first and second equation is 0 and 1. Now to find out point of intersection of first and third equation. First and third equation, put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 plus 1, that is y is equal to 9. So point of intersection of first and third is 4 and 9. Now point of intersection of second and third, put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13. So point of intersection of second and third is 4 and 13. Now vertices of the triangle are 0, 1. Point of intersection of these equations. First point of intersection is 0, 1. That is A is equal to 0, 1. B is equal to 4, 9. And point C is 4, 13. Now by using rectangular system of axes, draw diagram of this question. 0, 1, 4, 9 and 4, 13. So this is required triangle. So required area is equal to area of triangle ABC, which is equal to area of the region, this whole region, minus area of this rectangle. इसनू सेपरेट ड्रॉ करके समझते हैं। we have to find out area of this. So ये पूरे एरिया विचों असीं ए माइनस कर देवांगे. सो एरिया ऑफ रीजन AOMC टोटल माइनस एरिया ऑफ रीजन AOMC सॉरी B AOMB. Zero to 4 because limits of x is 0 to 4. 3x plus 1 dx minus 0 to 4 2x plus 1 dx and integrate this 3x square by 2 plus x. Integration of 1 is x and integration of 2x square, that is 2x is 2x square divided by 2 and integration of 1 is x. Now by applying limits we will get desired answer, that is 8 square units. Now you will solve similar examples by yourself, and in our next video we will solve some more examples. Thank you.